Captain Slog. We are in the mall. We are in Macy's right now, and Cadet Morty is about to spit some serious game to a girl at the cash register. Let's take a look.
No. I need some other help.
What other help?
I am from February, no problem. It is like so boring down here. I'm like trying to find something. Like what is there to do? What do you guys do down here? You in high school or college? What school? Penn State.
You know?
University.
But that's where I really live at.
Are you still you're a freshman, sophomore, junior?
Yeah, same thing. Grammar school.
But it's like, what do you guys do down here? Like, I got a whole bunch of my friends that like down here.
Who live down here?
Nah, not live down here. We all live down here.
Oh.
So
Why'd
like,
you guys come here?
this is like, right?
Huh?
No, I'm just saying, it's like an Air Force trip.
Oh. Okay. I thought you were like down here. I'm just saying, why'd you come here? It's really boring.
Yes.
So why are you down here?
I've been here my whole life.
You like it down here?
I mean, it's okay. I'm used to it. You know.
What means you want to keep on here? The reason why you went to college down here, either one, because you're gay, you want you to leave, or you stay for you.
No, I went to Columbus my first year, and then our way. Felt a lot better. But I just came down here because I like UD.
One and a half.
Your boyfriend goes there.
Well, I just started dating my boyfriend. He's there in school.
What is guys?
Yep.
Yeah. So you still tell me what?
There's nothing. Like on a Tuesday night, nothing.
Like we be down here till like Thursday. You don't go to
There's a club downtown.
You can go with us.
Yeah, I do. Occasionally.
That's all I'm saying. If you like
A club called Hammer Jacks.
Hammer Jacks.
It's open on Wednesday. It's okay. It's pretty nice.
I don't even know how to get there.
I'm so bad with directions. I would just look it up online.
Somehow keto.
Huh?
That's somehow keto.
I know. I'm
Make
not.
me look it up, and I don't have my laptop with me.
You don't? You don't have no means of getting your computer?
No, we all stay in the hotel. Like airport.
There's no hotel with a computer?
Yeah,
Usually have
there is,
computer
but
room.
is there a computer room in the hotel?
I really do not know.
There should be. Most hotels have at least one computer.
Am I bothering
Sure.
you?
Huh?
Am I bothering you?
No, I was just my sister.
She goes to school here too? What school? She's freshman?
Senior.
Senior? You're the youngest?
See, class girls.
It's like sister and younger.
Huh?
You just got a sister and a brother. You on Facebook? What's your name on Facebook? I add you every time.
Okay. Janelle Green. You want me to write that down?
Yes.
Awesome.
What was your name?
Let me see your pen. I'm gonna write my name down so you have mine. You got my pen? Oh, this is our photographer. I'm sorry, one of my managers. This is Black Sheep.
Oh.
He's our Air
Yes, I am.
Force photographer. Like when we go on trips and stuff.
Oh.
Yes, I am.
How are you doing?
I'm
That's
doing outstanding.
Huh?
I'm doing outstanding.
Good.
How are you?
You probably know me, or you probably heard my CD.
Yeah, CD.
Yeah, I sing.
From Sarah, you're a rapper.
Oh no,
Everyone's a rapper.
I put my number on here, so just in case, like, you're not doing anything, you
Okay.
can call. Don't be a stranger.
I won't.
Okay. Well,
Thank
here's your
you.
pen. So I'll let you get back to your little phone thing. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
See you later. Nice meeting you.
You too.
The mod.
Oh, yeah.
What? Oh, yes, I did. Every single last second.
Let me see.
Hold on.